Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about tail command. What is tail command? Tail command is a command that can print the last n lines of a given file. Usually people use this command to see the log file because sometimes we only need to read the last lines of the log file. Let's continue. Open your terminal. To see the manual page of tail command, we can type man tail. In the description, we can see that tail command will print the last 10 lines of each file to standard output. It means that without the option, with the default function, tail command will only print the last 10 lines of each file. Below the description, we can see the option that we can use. We will try later some of the option. I will open a new tab, terminal tab. Before we continue to learn about tail command, we need to create a file with long lines. I mean, we need a file that has much line. So I will use LibreOffice Calc, and then I need Lorem Ipsum generator for generating the lines. I will try 200 lists. And then I will copy this list. Wow, it's so much. I think it's more than 200. And then I will copy in here. I will create a line number. I think it's too much. I will delete the rest. Copy here, so we have a file that has many lines, and we will use this file for practicing the tail command. Save. I will save in the documents. Sorry. Okay, let's open the terminal. Go to the documents. I will input the tail command without option. So the tail command will print the last 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be from 191. The last 10 lines of each file. Is there anything wrong with my file? Oh, I see. There's what is it? Empty line in here. So it will be counted as one line. I will delete and then save. Let's try again. Tail command. Yes, this is the correct output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try another option. I will use the lines, the -n. Output the last num lines instead of the last 10. So we will try this option. Tail -n. I will try 5. Tail command. The file is tail command. So this option will only print the last n numbers of lines. In this case, the last 5 lines of the tail command. I will try this one, or use -n plus num to output starting with line num. Okay, we will try. Tail. It's the same, yeah, almost the same. I will try the 197. Let's try. So with this option, the tail command will print the file from n number of line. I mean, like when we input plus 197, the tail command will print from this number. It's different with this option. So this option will print the last n lines of the given file, and with this option the tail command will print starting from this n line of the given file. Okay, let's try another option. Output the last num bytes. Okay, I will try this. I think it's almost the same. The the syntax is almost the same. Okay, let's execute. Wow. Output the last num bytes. Maybe bytes is character. I will try with less number of the byte. I will try 5. Still, the output still produce so much line. I don't know how to use this option. Oh, I see. Use -c plus num to output starting with byte num of each file. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe I did something wrong. How if I remove the plus? One, two, three, four. Wait, I need to check. I need to check the file. And okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's like an index of a array. So I will try. Wait, sorry. I will try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put this number at the end of the line. We will try. One, two, three, 4. Where's the 1? If I input 6, I think this option will print the last num bytes. It means that if I have 5, it will print 5. If you have any idea of this option, please write down in the comment below so I can learn from you. I still confused about this because it's different with this option -n. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, right? The -n will print the last 6 lines of this file, but the -c only print the last 5 characters from this file. Even I input 6, this command only print 5 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's different with this option. I think if I use the -c and then +6, I will change it. I will change 200. It means that the command will print from the 200 character until the end of the file. I think like that. Let's try another option. Verbose. Always output headers giving file names. I will try -v. -vn. So this is the headers of the file. I'm curious about how if I print from two different files, what will happen with that. I will make a bar graph. The first file is lists and the second file is paragraph. So what will happen if I print two different files? -n 6. The first file is list and the second file is paragraph. What will happen with the paragraph? How to count this paragraph? I input 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how. Maybe the tail command will count from the last enter, because if I see this paragraph, there's only 2 lines. The tail command just count the enter the new line of a file, for example like this. If I put a new line in here and in here, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will put another line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So if I input 6, it means the tail command will print from this line, the empty line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oops, I'm sorry. So the tail command print from here. This is the line number 1. Okay, I see. And if we use tail to print two different files, the tail command will give header from each file. So without the -v, without the -v, the tail command will give header automatically. How if we combine the tail command with ls? Combine, I mean we will pipe the tail command with ls. For example, I will go to the etc folder and yum.repos.d. This is the place of our repo file. So if I use the ls -al, there will be so much line. How if I use the tail command ls-al pipe with the tail -n, I will print the last 3 lines. Okay, so this is the output. We can pipe this tail command with another command. How if I print this ls and then pipe with tail -c? What will be printed? Okay, so the tail only print this character. Okay, I think it's very useful. This command is very useful to be used when we administering our Linux. Wait, I will try only tail. Should be only print the last 10 lines of this ls. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, everyone, I think this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.